I broke a tail rotor. This is a tool I got from CNC. It's real easy. There's other ways to take it off, but that's the way I'm going to do it because I got the tool. Center. So we gotta do the worst thing. Cut the blades. Waste, because I could have probably fixed this. We're crazy with it, but I don't like ghetto blades. My cat I ate. You know what I'm saying? Sorry. See that? Comes right off. I'm gonna put this away. Gotta have one of these to put it back in. At least I do. And tail blades. I'm running out of tail blades. This is the tail blade for the Q, and I'm putting it on the D because I got it like that. So now you go this. Because if not, you push the axle through it, trust me. You cannot push it by hand, you'd be stupid. There you go. Good as new. If you don't have the tool and you want to know how to do it another way, I'll show you. But get the tool.